AJ Adudu impressed judges and viewers at home with her dance routines on Strictly Come Dancing last year. However, she unfortunately missed out on the Glitterball trophy after suffering an injury that meant she was unable to perform in the series finale. The star had hoped to take part in the upcoming Strictly tour alongside her dance partner Kai Widdrington, however, her injury has prevented her. Former Strictly professional Janette Manrara will be hosting the tour and has revealed she's gutted AJ can't be there. Janette spoke out about AJ's injury during an interview on The One Show on Wednesday night. The dancer insisted it's important AJ makes her health a priority and recovers from her injury. Janette said, "Obviously I'm very, very sad for AJ. She had some amazing routines throughout the series with Kai. The show dance was done, it was choreographed, she was ready to dance it in the final and then, unfortunately, she suffered the injury that she did." Holly Willoughby sparks backlash over insensitive remark. "Now she's got to look after herself, that's priority number one," she added. Chatting about the upcoming Strictly tour, Janette admitted she's sad to see AJ miss out once again. The dancer revealed AJ and Kai had planned to perform their unseen finale show dance that they never got to do on the show. She explained, "We were really gutted because she was going to do the show dance on the tour, which was something no one had seen yet. So, that was really special," Janette added. However, she made it clear that everyone in the Strictly Come Dancing cast is sending AJ lots of love while she heals. "We just send her all of our love and get well wishes because she really does need to look after herself more than anything," Janette said. Chatting about her excitement for the tour, the dancer said, "As performers it's what you live for, it's the relationship that you get with a live crowd. Ben Shepherd in awe of extraordinary tipping point performance, watch EastEnders star Danny Dyer sets record straight on exit, update Emmerdale police showdown as Mina's unveiled as killer? Spoilers, the roar, the sound of the audience in those big arenas across the UK is unexplainable. It really is a magical feeling," she added. AJ broke the news that she wouldn't be able to perform in the tour to her Instagram followers last week. In a post, she wrote, "Following medical advice, sadly I've had to withdraw from the Strictly Come Dancing live due to injury. I had hoped for one last dance with Kai Wid and we were both so looking forward to finally showing you our unseen show dance. But it turns out I can't go straight from wearing a medical moon boot to performing in 37 shows in 3-inch heels. Who knew? The good news is, Kai and the rest of my Strictly fam will be setting the stage on fire and I can't wait to go cheer them all on," AJ wrote. As a result of her injury, AJ is being replaced on the tour by a former Strictly competitor. EastEnders actress Maisie Williams will be taking her place and will dance with Kai on the tour. The One Show airs weekdays at 7 p.m. on BBC One.